Abebembezi aborubaju orukwabura Gavumenti bebembirwe ab'ekibiina ekya PFF bashaba abanya-Uganda obuteoreka okutiina bari kugira ngu biine kwehayo n'amaani okureba ngu bagyenda omu maisho okugira ngu babaase kutunga obwebembezi burungi ngu kandi babaase n'okutunga obugabe bwabo.
Naye nawo kubategeeza nti tuli wamu ku nsonga ez'okulaba nti Uganda teggwamu maanyi, bannayuganda tebawanika, bannayuganda bagwamu kutya, bannayuganda bafuna essuubi nti eggwanga lino tuli beetegefu okulirwanirira newankubadde nga waliwo bamukwata mmundu.
Abebembezi b'ekibiina ekya FDC barabura bari kugira ngu okukwata abebembezi b'ebyobutegeki ngu tikiri aha kukwata ab'orubaju orukwabura Gavumenti bonka ngu biitu n'ab'ekibiina ekya NRM abari omu bwebembezi ngu nabo bashemereire kwerarikirira.
It is not us in the opposition who are in danger alone. You in NRM, you are in danger also. Because you know, an army officer is competing with you in decision making, political decision making. When you yourself you are not armed, he is armed. He is not following the rules of the game, which governed the army commanders who came before him, including General around Nyakairema.
Olikwebembera ekibiina ekya Common Man's Party bijirwa yagira ngu okukwata kwa Dr. Kiza Besigye ahamwe na Haj Obeid Lutare otireho n'abandi kishemerire kuretera ebibiina ebirikwabura Gavumenti okukwatanisiza hamwe.
The arrest of Dr. Besigye, the arrest of my brother Waiswa Mufumbiro, the arrest of my brother Eddie Mutwe, the arrest of the current one, the Lord Mayor and others. It is a sign that substantiate the point of that we have a genuine cause. So we have to be inspired instead of breaking down.
Olikwebembera ekibiina ekya UPC Jimmy Akena yashaba ebibiina by'obutegeki eby'orubaju Okukwata Gavumenti okureba ngu byagarukana bisaasirane bibaase kukora hamwe ari kugira ngu abebembezi bashemerire kureba aha kukorera Uganda eri kuhereza abanya-Uganda bona.
Whatever wrong that has happened, let us put it behind us and fight for that Uganda which works for all its citizens.
Ab'ekibiina ekya PFF bashoborora ng'okukwatwa kwa Lukwago n'ekintu kimwe ekiri kuhenda obugabe bw'abantu.
And I want to condemn the manner in which our chair, our president, the former Lord Mayor, Honorable Lukwago, was arrested. We say he was abducted. It was very unlawful, very unconstitutional, and real abuse of human rights.
The Secretary General ow'ekibiina ekya National Unity Platform Lewis Lubongoya yagira ngu ekibiina kye nakyo nikishasha n'aba PFF ahabw'okukwatwa okwa Lukwago na n'omulingo ogwatiirwemu omu kihome.
Tuzze wano olunaku olwaleero okulaga okuyimirira awamu mu mbeera eno eri mu ggwanga lyaffe. Embeera gye mmanyi obulungi basibo ne banyabo nga kye tuvudde okulaba ennaku ezo kwe kuwambibwa kwa omulodi Shalongo Elias Lukwago ate nga n'amateeka omukukuutivu gwali eyo weewuunye bwe basobola okuyisa senior lawyer bwe batyo ate gwe omuntu wa bulijjo ali atulaba.
Ow'ekibiina ekya Aunt Alice Araso yagira ngu okukwatwa kwa Lukwago nikyoleka ngu hariho akabi aku bashemerire kujumirira kandi bakarwanisa omu bwire bwa hati.
Because it speaks to the days ahead. Make no mistake. What we are seeing is not about the continuous abductions of NUP supporters, the incarceration continuously of Dr. Besigye, the abduction, the kidnap of various Lukwago. Make no mistake that it will stop there.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga.